the topic of with magnetism and this application for this type of materials is really relevant for my PhD.
I want to be more in an experimental environment.
To learn how to study these systems, because you can probe them with different techniques, and here they give a wide presentation of many of those.
Since I'm a first year student, I think it's a good opportunity to get a good overview of all the techniques that are available.
The topic is quite related to my topic.
It's really interesting and current with my branch of study.
Maybe I'm doing neutron scattering with my samples in a year or so. So I wanted to learn something about the PSI, neutron scattering, magnetism, etc.
A lot of the lectures, they have been really well organized, and like where the level has fitted very well with what I think is interesting and the materials that I will have to look at. So that has been really nice, and I feel everything was really relevant for my project. And then it's also been really nice being here with the mountains. And
My favourite speaker was probably Phil Wilmot. I think that's how I pronounce it. He was on yesterday. I thought he was very good. But the favourite thing that I enjoyed here was probably the hiking in the mountains. Because I'm from England, in the Midlands, you don't really get these things.
The introductory lessons were actually very good, giving you like really a sense of what the topic was about and relating it to very basic physics principles. But also we were very lucky with the weather, and it was good to have the opportunity to visit the national park, and you get to meet people doing more or less the same experience as you.
Oh, there are multiple things. I think it was a wonderful summer school. I mean, we had like very nice talks. So also the level was really good. So it was easy to understand, but was also not too easy. And yeah, of course, the surrounding is very nice. And I also enjoyed the hike. So I think it was really a perfect summer school, I think.
I like several talks. I like the atmosphere here. It's very inspiring, like a lot of young scientists.
The most important is that topics are really wide.
Yeah, obviously the great landscape and the place. It's very nice for a conference. And yeah, I like the lectures too. See these kind of brief overviews over certain topics.
for me, it was really good to get. I think it was helping to get a bigger perspective on a lot of the things. So that you look. Sometimes you have this data that you try to analyze and you don't know what you'll get. But here it was sort of helpful to get a bigger picture.
There are so many different techniques which can be used for like say a field. But what I'm doing, in your PhD you don't cover all these techniques, and here you get some different approaches, and so you get some more deeper insight.
We'll think about which techniques is now more appropriate and which way is the right way to go, because I actually heard also some things which are interesting but could be too complicated and so on. So it's also good to have kind of hear about the experience of some researchers.
Got a broader insight into the topic, and now I know what else can I do with my samples, what measurements are possible.
If they get good sets of speakers, like ones that can hold an audience, ones that can really captivate them and actually get the information across.
Getting new inspiration to what kind of methods you can use, but also I think also it's been really nice talking to other PhD students from all over the world, and because to see what they are sort of in a similar situation and exchange experiences and motivate each other.
So I'm looking forward to the poster session when you get maybe some feedback to your research, and when you talk also directly to some other persons, and you can present your work, and then you get some feedback what you can do maybe better, or if there's an alternative route, let's say, you can try or something like this.
To widen your horizon, so to get new ideas how to investigate your crystals. Yeah.
It's a school you can learn about certain topics that are new or unfamiliar, and then you get an overview or a review about that. And of course, to meet new people